sound. Love and peace all around. Let the bassline roll tonight. Keep your heart filled with light. Whoa. Hey. Morning breeze is touching my face, sunlight shining all over the place. I hear the birds and the old guitar, reminding me how beautiful we are. Yesterday may have brought some rain, but every sunrise comes again. I plant my hope beneath the sky and watch my dreams begin to rise. Roots of love growing strong, keep the rhythm moving along. Through the rain and through the sun, different hearts becoming one. Roots of love deep in the ground, feel the freedom in the sound. Hold your faith and carry on, like the rising of the dawn. Yeah, yeah. Mama taught me to respect the land, to help my brother when he needs a hand. She said, don't let anger guide your way, choose a little kindness every day. Those words became a melody, a simple lesson that still lives in me. When the world gets louder than before, I remember what my heart is for. Young dreamers looking toward the sky, wondering how far their dreams can fly. Some want to build, some want to sing, some want to change the world with everything. I tell them, keep your vision clear, don't let doubt become your fear. Every journey starts with one small step, and every dream deserves respect. When the evening comes, the moon appears, washing away the weight of years. Guitars are playing, the bass runs deep, people dancing while the children sleep. We gather together beneath the stars, leaving behind the troubles that are ours. For a little while, the world feels right, and love becomes our song tonight. If tomorrow brings another storm, keep your spirit steady and warm. Clouds may cover the morning sky, but they can never stop the sun from rising high. Take your time and learn as you go, let every experience help you grow. The road may change, but don't lose sight, there is always hope beyond the night. So I'll keep walking with a grateful heart, knowing every day is a brand new start. I'll spread good energy wherever I roam, and carry the rhythm that feels like home. From the mountain road to the ocean blue, I keep the message of love with me too. One heart, one rhythm, one family strong. Roots of love will carry us along. Roots of love growing strong, keep the rhythm moving along. Through the rain and through the sun, different hearts becoming one. Roots of love deep in the ground, feel the freedom in the sound. Hold your faith and carry on, like the rising of the dawn. Yeah, yeah. Roots run deep, love runs free, keep the rhythm inside of me. One love, one heart, one song. Roots of love will carry us along. Yeah, feel the bass beneath your feet, morning sun and a reggae beat. One love calling from far away, giving thanks for another day. Let the guitar sing soft and slow. Let the good vibration flow. I woke up early with the sunlight bright, chasing all the shadows from the night. I looked at the road stretching far ahead, thinking of the dreams inside my head. Yesterday brought trouble to my door, but I won't carry that trouble anymore. I take a deep breath and I face the day with a little more courage along the way. Life is a river, sometimes fast, sometimes slow. You never really know where the current will go. Some days bring sunshine, some days bring rain, some days bring laughter, some days bring pain. But every morning gives a chance to begin, to leave behind the battles we couldn't win. So I keep my eyes on the road ahead and remember every word that my elders said. They said, keep your heart open, keep your spirit strong. When you feel the road is heavy, let the rhythm pull you along. Let the rhythm carry me home. Wherever I wander, I'll never be alone. Let the bass line roll and the guitar sing. Let the morning bring the joy that it brings. One love, one heart, under one sky. Keep your dreams alive and let them fly. Through the sunshine, through the rain, we find our strength and rise again. I see a mother working hard every day, building a future in her own quiet way. I see a young dreamer looking at the stars, wondering how to travel beyond where they are. I see an old man sitting under a tree, thinking about the days that used to be. Every face carries a story inside. Every heart has a dream it tries to provide. So don't judge somebody by what you can see. You don't know the weight of their history. A simple kind word can brighten the night. A little compassion can bring back the light. If somebody falls, give them a hand. If somebody's lost, help them understand. We all need love when the road gets tough, and sometimes a little hope is enough. Let the rhythm carry me home. Wherever I wander, I'll never be alone. Let the bass line roll and the guitar sing. Let the morning bring the joy that it brings. One love, one heart, under one sky. Keep your dreams alive and let them fly. Through the sunshine, through the rain, we find our strength and rise again. I remember nights when the whole town would sing, old guitar playing while the children would swing. Neighbors gathered with a smile on their face, sharing their stories in a beautiful place. There wasn't much, but the laughter was real, and everybody had something good they could feel. A simple meal could become a feast when love was sitting with everyone at least. That's when I learned that the richest heart is not the one with the biggest part. It's the one that can give when it doesn't have much, the one that can heal with the gentle touch. It's the friend who stays when the hard times arrive, the voice that reminds you that you're still alive. It's the family standing together as one, watching the moon after the setting sun. Let the drums beat, let the bass roll, let the reggae reach every soul. No more anger, no more fear. Let the message of love be loud and clear. From the mountains down to the sea, let every heart feel the energy. Different roads, but one heartbeat. Different voices with one rhythm beat. Sometimes the future looks hard to understand, like walking through a desert without a map in your hand. But you don't need to know every turn of the road. You just need courage to carry your load. One step forward is still a step, even when the road makes you catch your breath. Don't compare your journey to somebody else's way. Every flower blooms on its its own special day. Keep learning, keep growing, keep doing your best. Let patience and kindness take care of the rest. If one door closes, don't lose your belief. There may be another waiting just beyond the street. Your story is still being written each day, so don't let one chapter take hope away. There is more to discover, more roads to explore, and a new opportunity waiting at every door. When the clouds gather, wait for the sun. When the road gets difficult, keep moving on. Every storm has a moment to end, and every lonely road can lead to a friend. Let the rhythm carry me home. Wherever I wander, I'll never be alone. Let the bass line roll and the guitar sing. Let the morning bring the joy that it brings. One love, one heart under one sky. Keep your dreams alive and let them fly. Through the sunshine, through the rain, we find our strength and rise again. Yeah, yeah. Feel the bass beneath your feet. Feel the bass beneath your feet. Morning sun and the reggae beat. One love calling from far away. Giving thanks for another day. Let the guitar sing soft and slow. Let the good vibration flow. I woke up early with the sunlight bright, chasing all the shadows from the night. I looked at the road stretching far ahead, thinking of the dreams inside my head. Yesterday brought trouble to my door, but I won't carry that trouble anymore. I take a deep breath and I face the day with a little more courage along the way. Life is a river, sometimes fast, sometimes slow. You never really know where the current will go. Some days bring sunshine, some days bring rain, some days bring laughter, some days bring pain. But every morning gives a chance to begin, to leave behind the battles we couldn't. Keep the fire burning, yeah, yeah, yeah. Feel the bass line, feel the vibration. One love rising across the nation. Morning sun is shining bright, chasing shadows from the night. Yesterday may bring some pain, but hope is coming with the rain. Keep your head up, keep moving on. Every dark night beats the dawn. When the road gets rough and long, let your heart become your song. Keep the fire burning, keep the good vibes turning. Even when the night is cold, keep your heart from growing old. One love, one heart, one desire. Lift your spirit higher and higher. Through the rain and through the wire. Keep the fire. Mama told me don't lose faith. Good things come when you learn to wait. Share your love and lend your hand. Help your brother when he can't stand. So I carry those words each day. Let kindness guide me on my way. No matter where the journey goes, keep the love your heart still knows. Keep the fire burning, keep the good vibes turning. Even when the night is cold, keep your heart from growing old. One love, one heart, one desire. Lift your spirit higher and higher. Through the rain and through the wire. Keep the fire. Let the guitar ring beneath the moon. Let the drums carry a joyful tune. Friends together under the street light glow. Dancing to the rhythm, moving nice and slow. We don't need riches to feel alive. Give thanks for every day we survive. When the music brings us together as one, we shine like stars beneath the sun. If the road changes, vibration, one drop rhythm, yeah. Deep bass line rolling through the valley. Hear the drum attack, hear the guitar sing. From the mountain to the sea, yeah. Give thanks for life, one love, yeah. Morning rise over the hillside, golden sunlight spread far and wide. Me open up the window slow, feel the cool breeze start to blow, yeah. Bird them singing in the tree, like a choir wild and free. Me give thanks for another chance, another day for move and dance. Mama tell me when me younger, don't let trouble make you bitter. Life can bring a heavy rain, still your heart can bloom again. Walk with truth and walk with care, help somebody when you're there. Never let the world convince you that kindness make you weaker. Hey, Papa say respect your journey, every road can teach you something. Don't compare your life to others, everybody have them seasons. If you reach a higher place, remember those who help you climb. Share the light whenever possible, let humility be your guide. Like the river through the valley, me will find a way if we carry. Stone may block the road ahead, still the river moving steady. River keep on flowing, no matter what you see. Keep your heart still growing, let your spirit free. River keep on flowing through the sunshine and the rain. Every bend become a lesson, every storm can bring a change. One love, one heart, one rhythm in our soul. Keep the river moving forward till the journey reach its goal. Down the market when the morning rise, see determination in the people's eyes. Fresh fruit shining in the sun, everybody working till the day done. Woman selling food for family, still she smells so naturally. Old man sitting near the gate, telling stories about how life can change. Him say you don't rush the years, life bring laughter, life bring tears. Sometimes things no go your way, still tomorrow bring another day. Tree don't grow up overnight, still it reaches toward the light. Give your dreams some room for breathe, and believe in what you need. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will yield every seed beneath the ground, waiting till the rain come round. Sun can burn and wind can blow, still the little seedlings grow. Nature teach we patiently, nothing good grow instantly. River keep on flowing, no matter what you see. Keep your heart still growing, let your spirit free. River keep on flowing through the sunshine and the rain. Every bend become a lesson, every storm can bring a change. One love, one heart, one rhythm in our soul. Keep the river moving forward till the journey reach its goal. Children gather by the water, laughing with each other. Little girl hold her book so proudly, dreaming about a future brightly. Little boy look at the mountain, wondering what lies beyond it. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher tell them keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give you wings to fly, kindness keep your spirit high. When you rise above the crowd, don't forget the ones around. Use your talent to create, use your heart to elevate. Every child deserve a chance, every dream deserve advance. Give them guidance, give them care, give them hope, and now we share. Future start with what we teach, future grow from what we reach. If we plant respect today, better days can find a way. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tuning more guitar, sweet melody share if we spare. Yeah, nobody asking who have more. Everybody, welcome to the door. Simple food and honest laughter. Memories we carry after. Eh, that is wealth you cannot buy. That is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, life feel lighter all together. Eh, moonlight shining on the sea. Stars that keep me company. Me sit down and watch the tide. Think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright. Still me keep my spirit right. Every chapter of a meaning. Every season bring new feeling. If you stumble, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. If the rain come down hard, remember say you still have heart. Every mountain have a summit. Every river reach the ocean. Every night must make the morning. Every seed can start regrowing. Keep your vision, keep your fire. Keep reaching higher and higher. Don't let fear become your chain. Let experience bring again. We walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well. Every wave I've tell for them. Mountain teach me how to stand. Let the tree roots hold the stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly. Dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry hope forever. Through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share a word of kindness. If somebody need assistance, me will help without resistance.
Rise again, yeah, yeah, yeah. Feel the rhythm, feel the light. New day coming after night. Oh, oh. Morning sun is shining bright, chasing shadows from the night. Yesterday may bring some pain, but tomorrow comes again. Keep your faith and hold on strong. Let the music carry you along. When the road gets hard to walk, keep believing, keep your heart. Rise again, rise again. After every storm and rain, keep your fire, keep your flame. Don't give up, just rise again. One love, one heart, one way. We keep moving every day. Though the road may not be plain, we stand tall and rise again. We stand tall and rise again. Life can turn like ocean tide, but there's always hope inside. Share your smile, share your love. Let your soul rise high above. When your brother needs a hand, help him rise and help him stand. When your sister loses sight, be the voice that brings her light. Let the bass roll, let it play. Let the rhythm clear the way. No more fear, no more pain. Dance beneath the falling rain. Rise again, rise again. After still strong. Rhythm I play and we carry on. From the morning till the setting sun. Give thanks for life for everyone. When the road get rough and the night get long, we hold the faith and sing this song. Sun rise over the mountain, golden light shine like a fountain. Me step outside with a grateful heart, ready for make a brand new start. Yesterday bring trouble and rain, but me not carry all the pain. Me leave the sorrow where it belong, and walk into the morning strong. Life sometimes rough like stone, but me know say me now walk alone. When the road get dark and cold, me hold the faith and stay bold. Every little step me take, every choice and move me make, me put love inside me way, and give thanks for another day. Hold the faith, don't let it go. Keep moving steady, nice and slow. Through the rain and through the pain, sunshine I go come again. One love, one heart, one desire. Keep your spirit like a burning fire. No matter what the world might say, hold the faith and find your way. Me see me people working hard, trying to build a better yard. Early morning, boomed up on the road, carrying dreams and carrying load. Mama smiled though, times get tough. She said, my child, you're strong enough. Don't let worry control your mind. Good things come in them own time. Give a little love when you can. Reach out your hand to another man. If somebody stumble upon the ground, help them rise and turn them around. We don't need riches for sure we care. Sometimes kindness enough to share. When we stand together as one, we can shine brighter than the sun. Young you dreaming by the roadside, big ambition burning deep inside. Some want music, some want school, some want build and change the rules. Some see a future far away, some just hope for better day. Me tell them, don't give up your dream, keep your vision strong and clean. Step by step you will get through. Keep believing in what you do. If one door closed in your face, find another door and run the race. Don't watch nobody else's track. Keep moving forward, don't look back. Every seed need time for grow. Keep on planting and you will know. Hold it faith, don't let it go. Keep moving steady, nice and slow. Through the rain and through the pain, sunshine I will come again. One love, one heart, one desire. Keep your spirit like a burning fire. No matter what the world might say, hold the faith and find your way. When the evening breeze start blow and the moon rise soft and slow, guitar strings start sing sweet, bassline rolling through the street. Drum beat talking to the night. Everybody feeling alright. Friends them gather, laughter flow, moving to the rhythm, nice and slow. Leave the worries far away, celebrate life while we can today. Put a smile upon your face, let the music take you to another place. From the village to the city light, everybody feeling good tonight. Oh, different stories, different ways, but music bring we close for days. Sometimes tomorrow bring a heavy load, and you wonder which way it go. Take your time and breathe in deep. Keep your promise, keep your belief. Every setback teaches something new. Every challenge make you stronger too. Don't be afraid to start again. After sunshine, always come rain. Me now compare my road to yours. Everybody journey of different doors. Some reach early, some reach late. Life itself of different fate. Keep your heart clean, keep your head high. Keep your dreams reaching for the sky. Even when you cannot see the way, trust the journey and face the day. Remember every struggle we face, every slow road, every difficult place. Every friend who gave me advice, every little sacrifice. Some lessons come through happiness, some come through times of loneliness. But every chapter teach me well, and give me stories for someday tell. No, me no say life is a journey. Not everything easy, not everything sunny. Sometimes you laugh, sometimes you cry. Sometimes you wonder and ask why. But as long as me have breath inside, me keep hope right by my side. With every heartbeat, me say, give thanks for another day. Oh Jah, guide me through the valley. Keep me strong when the road get rocky. When me feel like me can't go on, remind me say the night must meet the dawn. Give me wisdom, give me peace. Let the trouble slowly cease. Give me courage to do what is right, and keep me heart filled with light. No, 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 so no rage, no bad vibration. Love and peace for every nation. Let the children grow with hope. Let them know, so them can cope. Yeah, let every neighbor lend a hand. Let kindness spread across the land. If we choose love every day, we can build a brighter way. So, move wait tomorrow with a smile. Ready if you walk another mile. Grateful for the breath inside. Grateful for the people by my side. Make hear the birds start sing again. Feel fresh breeze after the rain. Me put the love inside my way and give thanks for another day. So, some wake tomorrow with a smile. Ready if you walk another mile. Grateful for the breath inside. Grateful for the people by my side. So smoke.
Yeah, yeah. Feel the morning breeze upon your face. Hear the rhythm moving at its own pace. The sun is rising over every town, so lift your spirit, don't let it down. One love, one heart, one family. Give thanks for another day of liberty. I woke up early with the song in my head, thinking about the words my old people said. Life is a journey, so walk with care. And when you find love, remember to share. I stepped outside and I looked at the sky, saw golden sunlight spreading way up high. Yesterday had troubles, yesterday had rain, but I won't let yesterday control my today. The road may be dusty, the road may be long, but I carry my hope and I carry my song. Some days are heavy, some days are bright. Some days you walk underneath the moonlight, but every sunrise is a brand new start. Another little chance to strengthen your heart. So I keep moving with a smile on my face, trusting that tomorrow will reveal its grace. When the wind blows hard, I won't turn away. When the clouds roll in, I will wait for the day. I know every storm has a moment to pass, and even the darkest night cannot last. Let the good vibes grow, let the good vibes flow, like a river finding where it needs to go. One love rise and everywhere trying to build a future and make everything right. Some carry dreams that nobody can see. Some are searching for a little opportunity. A mother keeps praying for her children to grow. A father keeps working through the road, maybe slow. A young dreamer looks at the stars in the sky, wondering how far those dreams can fly. So don't judge a person by the clothes that they wear. You never know the way they are learning to bear. A smile can be medicine, a word can be light. A little compassion can make things feel right. If somebody's falling, reach out your hand. If somebody's lost, help them understand. We all need somebody when the road gets tough, and together our strengths can be more than enough. Let the good vibes grow, let the good vibes flow, like a river finding where it needs to go. One love rising everywhere we go. Keep your heart open and let your kindness show. Through the sunshine, through the rain, we find our strength and rise again. Let the good vibes grow, let the good vibes flow. Keep on believing wherever you go. I remember evenings when the neighborhood came alive. Guitar on the corner and the people outside. Children were laughing while the old songs played, and nobody cared how much money they made. The moon was shining like a lamp in the sky, while somebody sang about the days passing by. Those simple moments taught me something true. Happiness is often found in what people do. It's not always gold, it's not always fame. It's the people who love you and remember your name. It's sitting together when the evening is cool. It's learning from elders and listening to their rules. It's sharing a meal when the table is small. It's standing together whenever trouble's called. It's knowing that someone will answer your call, and knowing that together we can rise from a fall. Let the bass line roll tonight. Let the guitar bring the light. Let the drums beat strong and free. Let the whole world feel the energy. No hate, no fear. Let the good love lead. Plant a little kindness like a beautiful seed. From the city streets to the countryside, let one love be the river running side by side. Sometimes I wonder what tomorrow will bring. What new road will open, what new song will sing. Maybe there'll be mountains, maybe there'll be rain. Maybe we'll discover new strength through the pain. But I won't spend my life worrying about what I don't know. I focus on the seeds that I'm ready to sow, because every small action can brighten a day, and every good choice can help change the way. To the young ones dreaming, keep your vision alive. Don't let somebody tell you that you cannot strive. Learn from your failures, be patient and wise. There are many directions beneath open skies. You don't need to hurry just because others run. Your journey is yours and your story's not done. Keep walking with courage, keep learning each day. And when you find your purpose, don't throw it away. When the road gets rough, keep your feet on the ground. There is always a little hope waiting around. When you feel tired, take a moment to breathe. Then look at the future and choose to believe.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration. Deep bass line rolling. One drop rhythm from the heart. Sunrise over the hills, cool breeze from the sea. Give thanks for life. One love, morning break over the mountain. Golden light start to surround them. Me open up me eyes and say, give thanks for another day. Though the road might not be easy, me still walk with spirit steady. Yesterday can teach me well, but tomorrow only time can tell. No, mama say hold on to the good, do the best you know you should. When the word become too low, keep your feet firm on the ground. Don't let anger steal your smile, keep your heart clean all the while. Yeah. If somebody need a hand, give them strength so them can stand. Papa tell me work with patience.
Don't forget your good intention. What you plant beneath the earth need some time to show its worth. If you rise and find success, stay humble and give thanks. Never think you stand alone. Many people helped you grow. When the clouds cover the sky, me remember birds can fly. When the rain fall on the ground, soon new flowers come around. Hold on to the good, hold on to the light. Keep your heart peaceful, keep your future bright. Hold on to the good even when times get hard. Every little step forward can carry you far. One love, one heart, let the positive vibes flow. Wherever life may carry you, keep the good inside your soul. Don't road the market open, hear the laughter and the talking. Fresh fruit shining in the sunlight. People working from the daylight. A woman selling food for family. Still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting by the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say, you don't rush the journey. Every season teach you something. Tree don't grow up overnight till it reaches toward the light. Don't compare your road to mine. Everybody have them time. Keep your purpose close and clear. Walk with courage, never fear. Farmer working in the field, trusting that the earth will heal. Every seed beneath the ground, waiting till the rain come round. Sun and water help it grow. Nature move at steady flow. Some learn for where me turn and appreciate each lesson learned. Hold on to the good, hold on to the light. Keep your heart peaceful, keep your future bright. Hold on to the good even when times get hard. Every little step forward can carry you far. One love, one heart, let the positive vibes flow. Wherever life may carry you, keep the good inside your soul. Children gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. One grow up fi be teacher, one build a bridge for people. One help the sick get stronger, one make the road get better. Every dream inside them waiting for a chance to start. Teacher say, keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give you wings to fly. Kindness keep your spirit high. When you reach the place you see, don't forget the ones who help you speak. Use your talent to create, use your heart to elevate. Give the youth them room to grow, give them wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care, show them love for everywhere. Future start with what we teach, future grow from what we reach. Plant good seeds today and see what tomorrow come to be. Evening fall across the village, sunset blowing on the landscape. Grandpa tune him old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing, drum beat keep the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot for share, everybody find a chair. Nobody counting who have more, everybody will come through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy, that is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, heavy burdens feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars are keeping company. Me sit down and watch the tide, think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright, still me keep my spirit bright. Every chapter teach a lesson, every season bring progression. If you stumble, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. If you lose, learn the lesson. The fear, face the question. Every mountain have a summit, every river reach the sea. Every night must meet the morning, every seed can grow eventually. Keep your vision, keep your fire, keep reaching higher and higher. Don't let fear become your chain, let experience bring your gain. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well, every wave I've tale to tell. Mountain teach me how to stand, tree roots hold the stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly, dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry up wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share a word of kindness. If
If somebody need assistance, me will help without resistance.
Hold the fear. Yeah, yeah. Jano. Jano, me heart still strong. Rhythm my play, I we carry on. From the morning till the setting sun. Give thanks for light for everyone. When the road get rough and the night get long, we hold the faith and sing this song. Sun rise over the mountain, golden light shine like a fountain. Me step outside with a grateful heart, ready for make a brand new start. Yesterday bring trouble and rain, but me not carry all the pain. Me leave the sorrow where it belong and walk into the morning strong. Life sometimes rough like stone, but me know say me now walk alone. When the road get dark and cold, me hold the faith and stay bold. Every little step me take, every choice and move me make, me put love inside my way and give thanks for another day. Hold the faith, don't let it go. Keep moving steady, nice and slow. Through the rain and through the pain, sunshine I go come again. One love, one heart, one desire. Keep your spirit like a burning fire. No matter what the world might say, hold the faith and find a way. Me see me people working hard, trying to build a better yard. Early morning, them up on the road, carrying dreams, carrying load. Mama smile though, times get tough. She said, my child, you're strong enough. Don't let worry control your mind. Good things come in them own time. Give a little love when you can. Reach out your hand to another man. If somebody stumble on the ground, help them rise and turn them around. We don't need riches, for sure we care. Sometimes kindness enough to share. When we stand together as one, we can shine brighter than the sun. Young you dreaming by the roadside, big ambition burning deep inside. Some want music, some want school, some want bill and change the rules. Some see a future far away, some just hope for better day. Me tell them, don't give up your dream, keep your vision strong and clean. Step by step you will get through. Keep believing in what you do. If one door closes in your face, find another door and run the race. Don't watch nobody else's track. Keep moving forward, don't look back. Every seed need time to grow. Keep on planting and you will know. Hold your faith, don't let it go. Keep moving steady, nice and slow. Through the rain and through the pain, sunshine I go come again. One love, one heart, one desire. Keep your spirit like a burning fire. No matter what the world might say, hold the faith and find your way. When the evening breeze start blow and the moon rise soft and slow, guitar strings start sing sweet, bassline rolling through the street. Drum beat talking to the night. Everybody feeling alright. Friends them gather, laughter flow, moving to the rhythm, nice and slow. Leave the worries far away, celebrate life while we can today. Put a smile upon your face, let the music take you to another place. From the village to the city life, everybody feeling good tonight. Oh, different stories, different ways, but music bring we close for days. Sometimes tomorrow bring a heavy load, and no wonder which way to go. Take your time and breathe in deep. Keep your promise, keep your belief. Every setback teaches something new. Every challenge make you stronger too. Don't be afraid to start again. After sunshine, always come rain. Me nah compare my road to yours. Everybody journey of different doors. Some reach early, some reach late. Life itself of different fate. Keep your heart clean, keep your head high. Keep your dreams reaching for the sky. Even when you cannot see the way, trust the journey and face the day. Remember every struggle we face, every slow road, every difficult place. Every friend who gave me advice, every little sacrifice. Some lessons come through happiness, some come through times of loneliness. But every chapter teach me well, and give me stories for someday tell. No, me no say life is a journey. Not everything easy, not everything sunny. Sometimes you laugh, sometimes you cry. Sometimes you wonder and ask why. But as long as me have breath inside, me keep hope right by my side. With every heartbeat, me say, give thanks for another day. Oh Jah, guide me through the valley. Keep me strong when the road get rocky. When me feel like me can't go on, remind me say the night must meet the dawn. Give me wisdom, give me peace. Let the trouble slowly cease. Give me courage to do what is right, and keep my heart filled with light. No, 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 no. So no rage, no bad vibration. Love and peace for every nation. Let the children grow with hope. Let them know that them can cope. Yeah. Let every neighbor lend a hand. Let kindness spread across the land. If we choose love every day, we can build a brighter way. So we wake tomorrow with a smile, ready for walk another mile. Grateful for the breath inside, grateful for the people by my side. Me hear the birds start sing again, feel fresh breeze after the rain. Me put love inside me way, and give thanks for another day. So some wake tomorrow with a smile, ready for walk another mile. Grateful for the breath inside, grateful for the people by my side. So smoke.
Yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah. Reggae music playing slow. Feel the good vibration grow. Morning sun across the sea, bringing hope and energy. Up with a thankful heart, new day giving me a brand new start. Leave my worries by the door, I don't need them anymore. Life may bring a little rain, but I won't let it bring me pain. I keep walking, I keep strong. Let the rhythm guide me along. There's sunshine in my soul, cold. There's a fire deep inside, keeping all my dreams alive. One love, let the music play. Give thanks for another day. When the road gets hard to go, I still feel the sunshine glow. I see my people working hard, dreaming underneath the stars. Every hand and every heart has a story from the start. If you have a little more, share it with the ones next door. Life becomes becomes a sweeter song. When we help each other along, don't let anger rule your mind. Leave a little peace behind. Every heart deserves some light. Every soul deserves a brighter night. Hey! There's sunshine in my soul, even when the night gets cold. There's a fire deep inside, keeping all my dreams alive. One love, let the music play. Give thanks for another day. When the road gets hard to go, I still feel the sunshine glow. Sometimes dreams take time to grow, like a river moving slow. Don't compare your road to mine. Everybody has their time. Keep believing, keep your pace. Every journey has its place. If you stumble, rise once more. There may be something new in store. Let the bassline shake the ground. Oh, let the happy drums resound. Oh, raise your voice and sing with me. Let your heart feel wild and free. From the city to the shore, let the good vibes reach each door. One love underneath the sky. Keep your dreams alive and high. There's sunshine in my soul, even when the night gets cold. There's a fire deep inside, keeping all my dreams alive. One love, let the music play. Give thanks for another day. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will always rise again. Sunshine in my soul, good vibes. Sunshine, make me whole. Keep on walking, keep on strong. Let the rhythm carry on. One love, one heart, one beautiful song. Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration, deep bass line rolling. One drop drummer speak, cool breeze from the hillside, warm sunlight on the sea. Give thanks for another day. One love. One love. Morning come and touch the valley. Golden light spread through the alley. Me step outside and feel the breeze. Hear the birds sing through the trees. Me lift my eyes and give thanks for the strength inside me heart. Yesterday may bring some trouble, but today a brand new start. Mama tell me keep your vision, walk with love and good intention. When the world become confusing, don't forget the truth you're choosing. If you fall, just rise again. Learn the lesson from the pain. Never let a difficult day make you lose your better way. Hey. Papa working from the morning, still in face a smile a dawning. You say son, remember well, life is more than what you said. If you reach the place you seek, stay humble, never turn weak. When you rise above the crowd, lift somebody and make them proud. Hey, when the clouds cover the sky, me remember birds still fly. When the rain fall on the ground, soon enough new life come round. Light on the road, light in my soul. Even when the journey long, me keep moving strong. Light on the road, hope inside me heart. Every sunrise tell me plain life can always start. One love, one heart, let the good vibration flow. Wherever the road may carry, me know me still can it early morning, hear the people laugh and calling mango, coconut and banana. Fresh food shining in the sunlight. Woman working for her family, still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting by the tree, sharing wisdom patiently. Him say you don't rush the journey. Every season teach you something. Tree don't grow up overnight, still it reach toward the light. Don't compare your road to others. Everybody have them chapters. Keep your purpose in your chest. Give your best and leave the rest. Farmer working in the field, trusting that the earth will yield every seed beneath the ground. Need some rain before it come around. Sunshine warm the growing leaf. Rainfall bring the soil relief. Nature teach we every day. Good things grow in them own way. Light on the road, light in my soul. Even when the journey long, me keep moving strong. Light on the road, hope inside me heart. Every sunrise tell me plain life can always start. One love, one heart, let the good vibration flow. Wherever the road may carry, me know me still can grow. Light on the road, light, light up, light, light up, oh, oh. Light on the road, guide me as me go. Children gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. One grow up to be teacher, one become a builder. One help the people heal, one work the fertile field. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher tell them keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give you wings to fly. Kindness keep your spirit high. When you reach the place of dream, remember those who helped you climb. Use your talent to create, use your heart to elevate. Every child deserve a chance, every dream deserve advance. Give them guidance, give them care, show them love and always share. Future started what we teach, future grow from what we reach. Plant respect and plant compassion, build a stronger generation. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tune him old guitar, sweet melody, travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing. Drum beat make the whole place moving. Never bring a pot for share, someone bring a chair for spare. Nobody asking who I'm more. Everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy. That is love money can supply. When the people stand together, life feel lighter all together. Hey, moonlight shining on the sea, stars that keep a company. Me sit down and watch the tide, think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright, still me keep my future right. Every chapter have a meaning, every season bring new feeling. If you stumble, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. If the road become uncertain, keep the faith behind the curtain. Every mountain have a summit, every river reach the sea. Every night must meet the morning, every seed can grow eventually. Keep your heart away from anger, walk with peace and grow much stronger. Don't let fear become your chain, let experience bring you gain. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in that time. Ocean teach me patience well. Every wave I fail to tell, mountain teach me how to stand. Tree roots all the stubborn land. Bird teach me how to fly. Dreams can reach the open sky, so me carry up forever. Through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, we will share a brand new start. Mama tell me, keep your vision, walk with love and good intention. When the world become confusing, don't forget the truth you're choosing. If you fall, just rise again, learn the lesson from the pain. Never let a difficult day make you lose. You better wait. Papa working from the morning, still him face a smile at dawn. Him say, son, remember well, life is more than what you said. If you fall, just rise up, get burning, listen from the day. Never let a difficult